This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to craft a refreshing mojito at home. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need about 10 to 12 fresh mint leaves, 1 whole lime, and 2 teaspoons of granulated sugar or simple syrup. Don't forget 2 ounces of your favorite white rum and 4 ounces of crisp club soda. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's build the flavor. Place your mint leaves, lime wedges, and sugar into a sturdy glass. Using a muddler, gently press and twist to release the mint's essential oils and the lime juice. Be careful not to overmuddle, as this can make the mint bitter. Once muddled, pour in 2 ounces of white rum, stirring briefly to combine the flavors. With your base ready, it's time for the chill factor. Fill your glass generously with crushed ice or ice cubes, leaving a small space at the top. Next, slowly pour in 4 ounces of chilled club soda, letting it mix naturally with the rum and muddled ingredients. Give it a gentle stir from the bottom up, just enough to combine everything without losing the soda's fizz. To finish, add a beautiful garnish. A fresh mint sprig, gently clapped between your hands to release its aroma, and a lime wheel on the rim make for a perfect presentation. Serve your homemade mojito immediately to savor its crisp, refreshing taste. For more great tips and deals, including the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, check the description below this video. Cheers to your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.